After the age of 50, your body begins to whisper that it needs more care. Joints get stiffer, memory feels a little foggy, and digestion slows down. But what if a few tiny seeds could help you stay active, protect your heart, and even sharpen your memory? Welcome back to the Mindhunters. In this episode, we'll explore the top 5 seeds every senior should eat daily. These are backed by science, and we have provided the precautions with every seed to keep you safe and healthy. So, stay with us for a few minutes. Let's start with flaxseeds, known for supporting heart and brain health. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help lower cholesterol and reduce inflammation, protecting your arteries and boosting mental sharpness. Flax seeds also contain lignans, which may reduce the risk of certain cancers and help maintain hormonal balance. Take 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds daily. Add them to warm water, oatmeal, or curd. Always grind them fresh for better absorption. Precaution: avoid eating raw whole seeds as they pass undigested. If you're taking blood thinning or cholesterol medications, consult your doctor before using regularly. Drink enough water as flax seeds are rich in fiber and may cause bloating or constipation if taken dry. Next, chia seeds. A wonderful source of fiber, calcium, protein, and omega-3 fats. They help maintain strong bones, keep energy steady through the day, and support smooth digestion. Research suggests that chia seeds improve blood sugar control and heart health, both vital for seniors. To eat, soak 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in a glass of water or milk for 30 minutes before consuming. You can mix them in smoothies or puddings. Precaution: never eat dry chia seeds as they can swell in the throat and cause choking. People with low blood pressure or on blood thinners should consult their doctor first. Start with half a tablespoon if you're not used to high-fiber foods. Next up, pumpkin seeds. These are loaded with zinc, magnesium, and tryptophan, making them excellent for prostate health, immunity, and sleep quality. Studies suggest that pumpkin seed extract helps reduce urinary issues and supports better sleep in older adults. To eat, have a small handful, 1 tablespoon, of roasted, unsalted pumpkin seeds daily as a snack, or sprinkle them on soups or salads. Precaution: avoid salted or flavored varieties. They can raise blood pressure. Pumpkin seeds are calorie-dense, so moderation is key. If you have digestive issues or a sensitive stomach, eat them roasted rather than raw to avoid bloating. Next, sunflower seeds. These are rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that keeps your skin youthful and your joints flexible. They also support the immune system and may help slow down cognitive decline. To eat, take 1 tablespoon daily, sprinkle on salads, cereals, or mix into homemade chutneys. Precaution: they're high in calories and fat, so don't exceed 1 tablespoon. Choose unsalted seeds to protect your heart. Those with nut or seed allergies should avoid or test a small amount first. Finally, sesame seeds, an age-old remedy for strong bones and stable blood pressure. They're rich in calcium, magnesium, and lignans, all vital for bone strength and vascular health. A study in the Nutrition Journal found that daily sesame consumption helped lower systolic blood pressure and improved antioxidant levels in older adults. To eat, toast 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds lightly and sprinkle over cooked vegetables or soups. You may also grind them for maximum nutrient absorption. Precaution: people with kidney stones or high uric acid should limit intake, as sesame seeds are high in oxalates. Avoid eating large amounts if you're taking blood pressure or diabetes medicines, as sesame may enhance their effects. Now here's a bonus tip. Combine equal parts of flax, chia, pumpkin, sunflower, and sesame seeds. Slightly roast or grind them, and store them in a jar. Take 1 tablespoon daily, with breakfast or sprinkled on your meals. This natural senior seed mix supports heart, brain, bone, and digestive health, all in one simple habit. So remember, aging gracefully isn't about magic pills. It's about small, consistent choices. A handful of seeds the right way can truly nourish you from the inside out. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more science-backed health tips. Thanks for watching. We wish you good health.